on a crack, you break your mom's back.
You actually broke your mom's back. I didn't. It's just a joke. Why would I break your back? It's just a joke. Maybe I actually did break her back. I may. I'm gonna call 911. 911, what's your emergency? My mom's back broke and now she's dead. Okay, we're coming. Wait, first, where's your house? I'm not telling you because I can't. Okay, well, we will just figure it out. Bye. Bye. Did I just hear you call 911? Oh, you getting a whooping. 911 is here. So, how did your mom break her back? Oh, let me tell you how. Okay, how? It was because I just said, step on a crack, you break your mom's back. And I stepped on the crack. How did she break her back? I have no idea. Okay, she's faking. Yeah, she has to be. Psych! Everybody put their hands up before they die. I got a gun. No, don't kill me. Well, too bad. I'm gonna kill you. No, don't kill me. Well, too bad. I'm gonna kill you. I don't even know who you are at first. Okay, now you.